at you go. Whoa.
Keep going. Keep going.
Cute.
Push down. There you go. Oh, watch where you're going. All right, go.
That's so cute. That's funny.
No, you pedal. Come on, push your pedal. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
You gotta just pull with your left and push with your right. You're doing just a little bit more.
Sometimes he doesn't have
Okay.
his shoes on.
All right. I'm sorry. Okay, well, pedal, Mom. Just give me a little boost.
I'm giving you a little boost. Paddle, then.
Pedal.
Paddle.
Pedal.
So good. I think you put that
Come on.
pedal on wrong. Oh, maybe not.
Come on. You can. Stop saying you can't. Pedal.
You can do it.
Look at that. He just got the bike yesterday at his birthday. He's learning how to ride.